Hello hopefuls, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I want to share with you a Aldi pre-vacation haul and also Dollar Tree pre-vacation haul, and my budget was not to go over $60. I went over well 30 at Aldi and 30 at Dollar Tree, and so I did go over, well, I don't know, it was 29 something, but I just still, yeah, I went over, y'all. So at Aldi, I went over $10. So that wasn't bad for what I got. Also, if this is your very first time for watching one of my videos today, I want to thank you so much for watching. Also, my continuous watchers, thanks so much for watching and supporting. And if you want to stick around and see more videos from me, then make sure you hit that subscribe button or that notification bell to be alerted when any new videos come out from me. And I do types of videos such as grocery hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, DIYs, interior decorating, fixing up your home, and also parties and celebrations and things like that. And it's all centered around my family. So if you would like to see those types of videos, stay tuned and subscribe. Okay guys, so we are getting ready to go to the Great Smoky Mountains. Is it the Great Smoky Mountains? Yeah, the Great or the Smoky Mountains in Gatlinburg for another planner conference. And I wasn't sure if I was going to go to this one even though I already paid, and I decided to go ahead and do it. The entire family is going, so I needed to pick up just a few things for them, far as at Dollar Tree, far as pre-vacation or vacation, and then I needed to pick up like some snacks, so we'll not keep going to the convenience store, even though we probably will, but just so if they ask for something, we'll have it. So over here starting here, I have some smoked uncured ham, and this is about $5, and this is a pound. And usually when we're going to trip or the beach, I make sandwiches. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not. I may, and if I do, I may go back and get more deli meat if I decide to do that. Excuse my nails, guys. I was going to go to the salon, but I'm just going to soak them off myself because I can save that $30. But I love the gel nails. I got them done for go wild. Okay, so I also got some flour tortillas, and these were 89 cents. We're gonna have tacos. I'm getting ready to cook those right after I finish filming. And we also like the hard taco shells now too, so I did pick up some of those, and they are 89 cents, and these are 109. Picked up some romaine lettuce, and this was 1.99. The light sour cream was $1.09, and the jumbo buttermilk biscuits are 99 cents, and jumbo flaky biscuits. So probably the first day what I will do is, the boys, I think Trail is fine with it, everybody else, but JJ and Josiah do not care for the patties in the microwave, and that's fine. So I probably will patty this out. I was looking for turkey sausage, but they did not have that today. This is $139, $129, and I haven't forgot about the price sheet, guys. I'm sorry, I haven't forgot about it, but I'm working on it. Okay, we're entering everything, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pad these up and make biscuits for them if they want an egg or if they want cheese or something like that, so we don't have to stop the day of and get anything. Okay, so I also picked up some organic salsa. This is like $1.49, and then some real bacon bits so I can make an omelet for myself, and trying to keep track of my points, just trying to. The light ranch reduced dressing, I picked up some of this, is 89 cents, and then also the bacon is $3.29, the center cut bacon. I picked up some taco style shredded cheese, and it's $2.29. And then I haven't picked these up in a while, some graham crackers, some cinnamon graham crackers. These are 89 cents for whoever, but mainly for Josiah. I'm sure Jason, he will get a hold of them. Also, you guys recommended that maybe I should try, I can't remember who it was, the almond chocolate milk, and Josiah hasn't been drinking as much chocolate milk lately, But I have been doing also some research, even though this is not a part of Dr. CB stuff, but it's research. A coworker told me about Dr. CB, and I did some research on it. And of course, a lot of these things are not on his list of foods you're supposed to eat, but it's just making me a little bit more aware of what I'm putting on my body and in my body, and as far as I'm feeding my family. So it's going to be an adjustment. I told my coworker, Miss Christina, my old coworker, that I feel overwhelmed because it's a lot, and it's a food shop. So it's a lot of stuff that I don't normally eat, and I'm picky too. So, but I want to try to incorporate things a little bit by a little bit. So, I picked up the almond chocolate milk for Josiah if he wants some. I'm not going to let him know it's almond milk. I know in the past, Mama had almond milk. He was probably maybe 1, and he may have had too much milk, or he needed more milk. I think he was only drinking milk at a time, and he drank it, but you know, he was young then. So I also picked up the 2% reduced fat milk, the lactose-free milk. Both of these guys didn't cost much. I want to say, gosh, this was like $2 or $1.79, and this was like $2.29, so a really good price. Also, Harris Teeter has a great price. Sorry, this is a little chatty guy, y'all. I have been working for Ship every now and then when I can work some hours in between the boys' schedule, and I have also noticed like some of the customers, their food, it's almost like watching YouTube. So you shop for them and you see the types of food that they buy, and it makes you think about, well, maybe I should try this, or maybe I should incorporate this and take this out of my diet. So anyway, Cottrell has always had issues with milk since he was a baby. I said a long time ago that I had to try all the different types of Enfamil, and none of them was still successful. He still has issues with it, and he thinks that's normal. And I'm like, that's not normal. So anyway, guys, to wrap it up, I was shopping for someone at Harris Teeter, and she had the lactose-free milk. And I'm like, why I haven't been getting this, even though he's at school most of the time. For him, he does like the almond milk. And it was like $3.29 at Harris Teeter. And I was like, let me check to see if Aldi has it, and they do. You gonna say hi? He's dying to get on camera, y'all. He even went and brushed his teeth and stuff. So I also picked them up some Swiss rolls, some peanut butter wafers. I know they're not the healthiest, but they're 89 cents. They'll save us some money, even though I know the cheapest is not necessarily the best. But I have to gradually change the way they eat too. Josiah loves the mini peanut butter sandwich crackers, some taco seasoning mix. They're candy, and some taco seasoning mix, reduced sodium and the regular, and they're 29 cents. These are $2.29. All of the chips right now are $1.09 except the nachos. They're 99 cents. Let's see, the barbecue, the cheddar, the sour cream. But what I do like about Aldi is that a lot of their stuff is no artificial flavors or synthetic colors and stuff like that. And they may say that on Walmart stuff, I don't know, but I haven't really noticed it. But a lot of Aldi stuff is like that. I also picked up 2 things of the honey wheat bread. It's 89 cents. And then I went crazy with the split wheat top bread because it was $0.25 each. And I was like, I cannot beat that, $0.25. Even though cheaper may not always be better. And I looked at expiration, and it doesn't expire. Oh, it does expire the 26th, which is close, but you can put them in the freezer. What's that on your hand? Is Daddy up? Okay, guys, so over here is the Dollar Tree haul, and Josiah has the ice packs. I like these. They busted a while ago, but I had them like for a while. So I needed some new ones. I got the larger ones, not the smaller ones. I also picked up some Lifesaver Hard Candy Wild Cherry, and I got the red because, again, with this planner conference, they have like table swaps, and so I'm just going to add that into the little little gift that I give everybody at my table. I also picked up, thank you, some White Rain Kids body wash and bubbles, and this is for is it for sensitive skin? Yeah. So Josiah was all out and he needed some more. You needed some more, man?
Yeah.
What's that on your nose? I'm sorry. I also picked up some taco mix. I know it probably was more in Dollar Tree because it was $1. And then I needed a 4-way buffer block because I'm going to get ready to take this gel off of my nails. And then a ice pack. What you showing? Some flushable toddler wipes for Sasa. That's good, boo. You can put it down. Thank you. Some ice pack and hot pack. So I haven't used this as a hot pack. I don't know how that works. But I'm going to reinforce this with, put it like in a freezer bag. So in case my family, they can be kind of rough and stuff will start oozing out or they'll bust it. I also picked up some of the black cream Wet n Wild nail polish, and I just wanted to paint my nails, maybe one of them like red, one of them black. And I have the the Dollar Tree gel stuff, but this Wet n Wild lasts so much longer than that gel stuff. What you showing? Some soft soap antibacteria soap. I got this because when we went to Las Vegas, we needed some soap in the bathroom and the entire family is going, so we definitely need that because usually they just have those bar soaps in there. And then I picked up some Dial soap to throw in our bag. And then this book, I think this is the book that my mom got the other day, and it was only one book and she had like little tips in it. It's called 20 Pounds Younger. Just to change like little simple things in your life, like yeah, I showed that, the tortillas. Just little things in your life, like drinking water before as soon as you wake up. I think like 10 or 20 sips. Drinking water before you go to bed. I'm trying to think what else. Guys. Not eating after a certain time. So that's simply what that book is. I think that's the same book. Okay, Josiah wants to show y'all the Pet Fresh carpet odor eliminator Arm & Hammer. I've been picking this up. Okay, then also I picked up some of this Assured Sleep Aid Epsom salt and the Sore Muscle and Back Soak. And I thought that I would do this before more self-care. And I was like, oh, treat yourself to a bath, once, a bubble bath, once a week. And then I said, I'm doing it twice a week, especially carrying other people's groceries. That is some work. So that's when I picked that up. And I want to try a more healthier version of Epsom salt. I don't know, y'all. I just need to check the ingredients of this. And then I just need to check the ingredients of it because I want to be more aware of what I put on my body and in my body. Not yet. Okay, Josiah also wants to show the decorative shred. I got it in the red because the theme for Smoky Mountain Planterland is the buffalo plaid. So the red and the black. So that's why I want that nail polish. And let's see where we are at. Let's see. I got this for Trail. So he's going to go. And then JJ got the green travel. Some white Dove. Where are we at? I got these little desk signs. And if you saw my last Dollar Tree haul, it was a little small one. I picked up some different ones. And I knew that they probably will not have the same ones. But I needed 10 instead of 8. So I picked up 2 more of these. I'm showing it now. Then I also picked up some of these Redbird Peppermint, the candy puffs, to put in these little loot bags. So I will put some shred in there, one of these little desk signs, and some candy. And lastly, guys, I picked up one of these Sterilite 3x5 card holders. And this will probably be for, well, I know it'll be for my little stickers that I may get like in swaps or freebies. Is it freebies? Yeah, usually when you order from the sticker shops, they'll send you a freebie. So that's what this little box will be for. And then I needed some more 100% acetone nail polish remover or polish remover to soak my nails off. So that gel off. So that is all, guys, that I got from Dollar Tree and Aldi. Sorry I was a little bit chatty, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for watching as always. Bye bye.